Okay, if you recall, we did a video earlier when we were excited about getting some samples of Gaahleri Airbrushes. And at the time I sort of gave you a quick look of what I got out of the box, and then we were supposed to produce a video, you know, talking about how they work and what we think of them. We're still working on that video, unfortunately, but the feedback, the early impressions were so good that we committed to carrying the airbrushes. We have got our first load of them in today. Now, I focused heavily on this one. This is the airbrush and tabletop compressor combination. It's called the Ambition series. This is a nifty little machine. I can't wait to show it to you. We'll get a move on in that video so we can show them working. Anyways, I ordered a bunch of these. This is going to be a hot item for Christmas. So anybody new to airbrushing, anybody that wants something portable to take around with them to shows or what have you, club meetings, this is your baby. So trust me when I say I got a bunch of these, and this is going to be our hot Christmas item. Now, to go with that, of course, we ordered various airbrushes. They come in these fine, oh, that's a nice factory seal on that. You have to zip that to open that. Ooh. So there's not a lot to show you unless I spoil somebody's fun, and I don't want to do that. Okay, you know what? I realized I gotta open these, because how can I sell these things? Duh. Now, we're cooking. Ah, look at that. Look at the way it comes. There's the money shot. There's what you want to see. So that's the Mobius .2 airbrush. That's a pretty fine one. I also have the Mobius .3 airbrush. There's the zip cord. This is actually kind of fun. I won't lie. There's the .3. Slightly larger brush. So we have several of those. There we go. This is the Mobius SP. So you got the .3 and the .5. That's a little bit bigger jobs. .5 will give you a decent coverage. And last but not least, this should be trigger brush. Ah, the swallowtail. Gaahleri Airbrush.
Oh, just have a
picture on the back. Oh, I see. Now there are seals on these. I'm not going to break the seals.
That's the one that I have.
The Barbados Rex swallowtail. Very nifty. So watch for more about these airbrushes. They'll be up on our website as fast as we can get them there. These are all very affordably priced. As soon as we get these processed today, we'll get them up on our website. And if that wasn't enough, I did get hoses, because I'm not sure which brushes come with hoses and which do not. I also got a bunch of quick disconnects, because if you use an airbrush, you will know that a quick disconnect is a wonderful thing. All right. So that's the male side, and I assume I have female sides in here somewhere. And then I have to do my homework. Gaahleri Airbrush for Halloween has some kind of promotion going on where they included free paints with some of their airbrushes. So I got to figure out which ones these apply to, and I have a number of their Kaleido paints, which I think is short for kaleidoscope. So Kaleido paints that you can get with your airbrush as a bonus, and you can try them out and see how you like them. So that's it. Look forward to seeing videos reviewing these, telling you how they work, and giving you feedback from some of our customers. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.